Hello everyone. Today I am going to start our history chapter first. Book first, chapter first. The name of the chapter is Bricks, Beads and Bones. The meaning of the name is bricks means ईंटें, beads stands for मनके मूर्तियों के लिए and bones means अस्थियां. The Harappan civilization. The very first line of the chapter is the Harappan seal in figure first. You can see a seal. This here, the seal is made of steatite or terracotta. These are the materials by which the seals were made at that time. The Harappan seals is possibly the most distinctive artifact of the Harappan or Indus Valley civilization. Harappan or Indus Valley civilization. One important question arises here that why these two names are used actually. Why these two names are used here? Harappan and Harappan or Indus Valley civilization. So let me tell you one thing. Harappa is the name of site. Harappa is the name of site. ये पहली वो साइट थी जो खोजी गई थी. जब हम इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन या हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन की खोज कर रहे थे, ये वो पहली साइट थी जो हमें मिली थी. इसीलिए इस सिविलाइजेशन को हम हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन भी कहते हैं. और why we call this civilization Indus Valley civilization? We call this civilization Indus Valley civilization because this civilization is situated nearby the Indus Valley, Indus River. Now, the Indus River is situated between three countries, Afghanistan, Pakistan and India. Okay? Pakistan, Afghanistan and India. And very sites were found. Too many sites were found between Jammu and Kashmir, next Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and UP also. Okay, and in Afghanistan there was only two sites. केवल दो साइट ऐसी थी जो हमें अफगानिस्तान से मिली हैं. This civilization is also called the सिंधु घाटी की सभ्यता. Is that clear? इस सिविलाइजेशन को सिंधु घाटी की सभ्यता के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. एंड as well as it is also called Bronze civilization, Bronze age because उस टाइम पर यहाँ पर रहने वाले लोग ब्रॉन्ज का बहुत ज्यादा यूज करते थे. ब्रॉन्ज इज ए मेटल, ब्रॉन्ज इज ए मेटल जिसका यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा यूज किया जाता था. दैट्स व्हाई इस सिविलाइजेशन को ब्रॉन्ज सिविलाइजेशन के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. Made of a stone called steatite seals like this one often contain animal motifs and signs from a script that are remain undeciphered. Means you can see a seal here, a Harappan seal. एक हरप्पन सील की पिक्चर हम यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं. बट all the remains and all the signs and scripts are remain undeciphered. ये अभी तक पढ़ी नहीं गई हैं. यहाँ केवल ये कुछ पिक्चर्स से कुछ स्क्रिप्ट के ऐसे साइन यहाँ बने हुए हैं जिनसे हम केवल आइडिया लगा सकते हैं. जो ऑर्नामेंट्स, जो बीड्स, जिस टाइप के ब्रिक्स, जिस टाइप के ज्वेलरी या जिस टाइप के वहां पर जब एक्सकेवेशन हुआ है, जब आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ने वहां पर एक्सकेवेशन किया है, तो जिस टाइप का मटेरियल हमें वहां से मिला है उसके बेस पर हम केवल आइडिया लगा सकते हैं कि यस ये सिविलाइजेशन इस टाइप की थी, ये सिविलाइजेशन ऐसी थी, इस सिविलाइजेशन में इस टाइप के काम होते, इस टाइप से ये लोग अपनी लाइफ को जीते थे. ठीक है, ये हमें पता चलता है यहाँ के सील्स के थ्रू. यहाँ की जो एक्सकेवेशन में जो हमें आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ने जो एक्सकेवेशन के थ्रू हमें टूल्स मिले हुए हैं, सील्स मिली हुई हैं, बहुत सारे ऑर्नामेंट्स मिले हैं, बीड्स मिले हैं, बोन्स मिले हैं, या जो जो कुछ रिमेन पार्ट्स ऑफ डेड बॉडी मिली हुई हैं, उसी के बेस पर हम ये पूरी स्टडी करते हैं। बट कोई भी एक हमें जो कि इंस्क्रिप्शंस हमें मिले हैं या जो सील हमें मिली है जिस पर जो भी कुछ लिखा गया है, ठीक है, वो सारा अनडिसाइफर्ड है, वो अभी तक पढ़ा नहीं गया है। ऑल इज अनडिसाइफरेबल। And one more important thing is here, there is no consensus about the chronology of the Harappan civilization. Various scholars have given different dates about this period. According to Sir John Marshall, this civilization flourished between 3250 and 2750 BCE. Okay, and one another date is also is 2500 to 2500 to 1500 BCE. It is not certain. One more time also, but because history is all about the dates and timing. So we will consider according to our NCERT, that is C 1600 and decline in 1900 BCE. We will consider this date. It might be most appropriate. One more thing I want to clear, that yet we know a great deal about the lives of the people who lived in the region, from what they left behind their houses, pots, ornaments, tools and seals. In other words, from archaeological evidence. Let us see what we know about the Harappan civilization and how we know about it. Okay. We will explore how archaeological material is interpreted and how interpretations sometimes change. Of course, there are some aspects of the civilization that are as yet unknown and may even remain so, because one and very important thing about this civilization is that all the inscriptions, all the written material, all the are scripts are remain undecipherable. That's why. And it was Dayaram Sahni who first discovered the sites of Harappan in 1921. In 1921 it was Dayaram Sahni who first discovered the sites of Harappan civilization. The main centers of this civilization are in Pakistan, as I told you earlier also. The some famous sites of this civilization now in Pakistan are Mohenjo-daro and Chahundaro. These both names are also belong to this civilization. The main centers where this civilization flourished in India are Kalibanga, Sangol, Pangalore, Lothal, Dholavira and Banavali, etc. Now in this picture, figure 1.2, you can see the beads, weights and blades also. All these materials are made by the stone or statite or terracotta, which were extensively used by Harappan people in Harappan civilization. Named after Harappa, the first site where this unique culture was discovered. The civilization is dated between c. 2600 and 1900 BCE. There were earlier and later cultures, often called early Harappan and late Harappan. Is that clear? That there were earlier and later cultures were also there. Earlier and later. Mature Harappan civilization and late Harappan civilization, early Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization is sometimes called the mature Harappan culture to distinguish it from these cultures. इन cultures को अगर हम हमें और डीपली अगर स्टडी करना है, इनको अच्छे से और अगर हमें क्लासीफाई करना है, तो इसको हम 2 पार्ट्स में और डिवाइड कर देते हैं, अर्ली हरप्पन कल्चर एंड लेट हरप्पन कल्चर्स में। और हम इसको एक बार अच्छे से डिवाइड कर देते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Here is a map. In your NCERT book, you will find a map. Some important mature Harappan site. You can see here the Indus Valley, Indus River. Sorry, not valley. Indus River. This side you can see Mohenjo-daro. Okay. This one is Harappa, Banavali, Kalibanga, Chahundaro, Mohenjo-daro, and Chahundaro. Now these both sites are in Pakistan. Okay.